Welcome back, Quizonauts. Today we have cool quiz for you. Quick question. Which one can't breathe underwater? Fish, frog, or crocodile? Keep watching to see if you guessed right. Let's go! Which scientist discovered penicillin by accident? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, or Marie Curie? Alexander Fleming. His 1928 discovery revolutionized medicine. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? Saturn, Jupiter, or Neptune? Saturn. Its majestic rings are visible even through small telescopes. Which has the higher density? Seawater, freshwater, or oil? Seawater. Dissolved salts increase density. Which human organ is capable of regeneration? Heart, lung, or liver? Liver. Can regrow up to 70% of its tissue after damage. The polar region in the northern hemisphere. Arctic. Platinum is more valuable than gold. True or false? True. Due to rarity and industrial use in catalytic converters. Which one developed the theory of evolution? Albert Einstein or Charles Darwin? Charles Darwin. His 1859 book on the origin of species changed biology forever. A dramatic musical art form. Opera is the answer. Guess the flag. Portugal. What am I? I'm small. I can fly. I make buzzing sounds. I help plants grow. B. Nature's pollinator and honey maker. The world's largest coral system is the Great Barrier Reef, Coral Triangle, or Belize Reef. Great Barrier Reef. It spans over 2,300 kilometers along Australia's coast. The human body's strongest muscle, by size, is the heart, jaw, or thigh. Jaw. Specifically, the masseter muscle used for chewing. Humans can hear lower frequencies than elephants. True or false? False. Elephants detect infrasound frequencies below human range. Which company originated in Japan? Samsung, Ford, or Nintendo? Nintendo founded in 1889 as a playing card company. To follow or outline something carefully. Trace. The hardest natural substance on Earth is quartz, diamond, or sapphire. Diamond. Where in the world? Somalia. Which invention belongs to the UK? Telephone, steam engine, or printing press? Steam engine. Fueled the Industrial Revolution. Sound travels faster in steel than in air. True or false? True. Dense materials transmit vibrations more efficiently. What am I? I have numbers. I keep time. I can tick. I hang on walls. Clock. Our oldest timekeeping companion. Where in the world? Tunisia. You've mastered this. Which process begins the rock cycle? Weathering, melting, or compaction? Weathering breaks down rock before all other transformations. Which language has the most native speakers? English, Mandarin, or Spanish? Mandarin. Over 900 million native speakers worldwide. What am I? I can be written. I can be sent. I carry feelings. I used to come in envelopes. Letter. The original form of long-distance communication. Which drink is the most consumed globally after water? Tea, coffee, or milk? Tea. The world's most popular beverage after water. Which statement is true? Humans exhale oxygen. Or humans breathe oxygen. It's essential for cellular respiration. Which monument is located in Greece? Parthenon or Colosseum? Ancient temple dedicated to Athena in Athens. Which makes sense? Metals expand when heated. Or metals contract when heated. Thermal expansion increases atomic spacing. Which city is known as the Eternal City? Cairo, Athens, or Rome? Rome. Named for its timeless influence on civilization. Light bends when it passes through water. True or false? True. A phenomenon called refraction. Which monument is in the USA? Eiffel Tower or Statue of Liberty? Gifted by France, symbolizing freedom in New York Harbor. Hydrogen is denser than oxygen. True or false? False. Hydrogen is the lightest element known. The North Pole has no permanent land. True or false? True. It's a floating sheet of sea ice. Which is more likely to resist high-temperature deformation? Tungsten or iron? Tungsten has the highest melting point of any pure metal. Which is more likely to resist corrosion longer? Silver or gold? Gold. Which is more likely to have monsoon seasons? India or Norway? India. Driven by seasonal wind reversals in South Asia. Hope you enjoy. Which metal is yours? Gold, silver, or bronze? Share it in the comments with us. Which game will you pick next? Left or the right one? See you in the next quiz.